Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To do this, simply warm the coconut oil and apply it to dry hair, using a wide tooth comb to distribute the oil evenly, starting at the midsection of your hair and continuing to the ends. For a quick treatment, leave it on for 30 minutes, then shampoo and condition your hair as usual.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Myth: coconut oil is a heart-healthy cooking alternative. The reality: coconut oil has been shown to raise cholesterol levels, the good and the bad kinds, more than other plant-based oils like olive or canola. And in truth, medium-chain triglycerides make up only a small amount of the fatty acids in coconut oil.
Take our lead.
While some leave oil in their hair overnight, but usually 1–2 hours should suffice. If you apply more oil than you need, thinking you need to coat every strand of your hair with oil, you will need the same amount of shampoo to get it off. This may lead to dryness, which is counterproductive.
Let's help you make your mark.
Dry shampoo: one of the easiest ways to get rid of coconut oil is to use dry shampoo. Dry shampoo comes in handy to absorb excess oils and give your strands a refreshed and balanced feel. Apply the dry shampoo to your hair, making sure to focus on your roots and apply lightly through the rest of your hair.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.